Good afternoon, Standard 10. In the previous video, I was discussing about the chapter ratio and proportion. Today we have to do the quick revision of ratio and proportion. See the question, solve for x. So root under a plus x plus root under a minus x whole divided by root under a plus x minus root under a minus x is equal to b. So given term is written same. In the denominator of RHS part we have taken 1. Now written by using the componendo and dividendo. This term you can suppose as a, this term you can suppose as b, it is c and it is d. Now a plus b, a minus b, c plus d and c minus d. Now see, in the denominator part remove the bracket, and if you are removing the bracket the sign will be reverses, minus and minus minus plus. This will be cancelled and this will be cancelled. So root under a plus x, root under a plus x, 2 times root under a plus x, root under a minus x, root under a minus x, 2 times root under a minus x. It is b plus 1 and it is b minus 1. Now this 2 will be cancelled. For removing the square root sign, taking squaring both the sides. On taking squaring both the sides, this square root sign will be cancelled, a plus x and a minus x. It is b plus 1 whole square and it is b minus 1 whole square. Again using componendo and dividendo. Now it is a, it is b, it is c, it is d. A plus b, a minus b, a c plus d, c plus d and c minus d. In the LHS side, in the numerator we have to write the same, but in denominator we have to open the bracket, it will be minus and it will be plus. So a will be cancelled here and here xx will be cancelled. This side 2a will be left and this side 2x will be left. See here, xx cancel, a cancel, 2a and 2x, this 2 also cancel. See the RHS part, it is the formula of, in the chapter of expansion you have learned, I think a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, which is equal to 2a square plus b square, and a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, which is 4ab. Now see this formula. On applying this formula, 2 written here, your a is b and your b is 1. By formula 4, your a is b and b is 1. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. B square plus 1 and here 2 1s are 2 b. Now cross multiply them. X into this term, b square plus 1 into x, same, and 2 into 2b into a, that is 2ab. X is equal to 2ab by b square plus 1. This will be the answer. Now see, one more question. Use the proportion of properties to solve for x. We are solving for unknown variable x. So this term we can suppose as a and this term we can suppose as b. It is c, it is d. So c plus d, 3 plus 2 and 3 minus 2. Now see, a plus b and a minus b. In the denominator part, the sign will be reverse. Plus minus, minus and minus minus plus. This will be cancelled and this will be cancelled. These two we have to add them. 2 times root under 2x plus 12x plus 1. This is also 2 times. 2 times root under 2x minus 3 is equal to 5 by 1. This 2 will be cancelled. Root under 2x, 12x plus 1, root under 2x minus 3 is equal to 5 by 1. For removing the square root sign, taking squaring both the sides. Now see, squaring both the sides. Square, 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 and the square of 5, 25, and the square of 1 is 1. From square root will be cancelled this term. From square root will cancel this term. After this cross multiply we will do the cross multiply. 25 into 2x, 50x, 25 3s are 75. This multiplied by 1, same, 50x minus 12x, 1 minus 75, taking this as 7 plus 75. 75 plus 1, 76, and 50 minus 12, that is 38x. X is equal to 76 by 38, cancelled by 2. Hence x is equal to 2. Solve for x using the properties of proportion. This. Now see, this is our given term. See, actually first we have to do without first what we are going to do, first we are going to cross multiply them. This term multiplied by this and this term multiplied by this. So this and this written in the numerator, and this transferring this side, it comes in the denominator, and 62 in the RHS, and this 63 comes in the denominator, 62 by 63. See why I am doing this, because see, before this line in the above here, I think you should know that a cube plus b cube, that is a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So if a is 1 and b is x, a is 1, b is x, a is 1, b a is 1, b is x, b is x, and if you'll simplify, I think this term you will get. See the denominator, 1 plus x, the square of 1 is 1, 1 into x, x plus x square. So it is in the formula a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube. A is 1 and b is x. It is a cube minus b cube. A is 1 and b is x. A cube minus b cube. The cube of 1 is in both the places 1, x cube, 62 by 63. Again using now after this you can apply here componendo and dividendo. A plus b, a minus b, c plus d, c minus d. 63 plus 62, that is 125. 63 minus 62 minus 1. A plus b, a minus minus plus minus. These two will be cancelled, x cube and 1 will be cancelled. So 1 plus 1, 2, and minus x cube and minus x cube, minus 2x cube. This minus sign will be cancelled, and 2 1s are 2. X cube into 125 x cube, 1 1s are 1. So x cube is equal to 1 by 125. Remove the cube and take the cube root sign, and the cube root of 1 is 1 and the cube root of 125 is 5. Hence this is the answer. So these are the some formulas, these are the some questions from the chapter ratio and proportion from the revision side. From back of the book it is given. So first try to complete the exercises, especially in the last exercise and especially in the last of the questions, last 15 question, 10 to 15 question. Try to complete each and every one, and you can see on the previous year questions and see which type of question is coming in the from this chapter. I think you can see whatever I had taught in the previous videos, in last 2-3 videos, that type of questions are most important. So try to complete the exercise, and thank you for watching the video. All the best.